Good morning students. Today our next heading is error in the product of two quantities. Now previous videos we watched adding two quantities and difference between two quantities. Now if multiply two quantity, how the error can be calculated. Let's watch this video. Let I take two quantities. One is A and another one is B. A equal to A, the true value, the measured value plus or minus the absolute error. And B, the true value plus or minus the absolute error. Now I product these two quantity, that is A, B. So in the product I also have some error. That is, there is error in A and also error in B. So also error in Z. So Z plus or minus del Z. Okay. Now you substitute A value and then you substitute the B value. Okay students. Now you take B and multiply with these two. Then you get AB plus or minus B into del A. Now next you take del B and product with the first two quantities A into del B plus or minus del A into del B. Okay. Now the left hand side, what left? Z del Z. Now divide both sides by Z. Okay. What first term get cancelled and you get 1. And then the second term del Z by Z. And third term AB by Z, and you then subsequently divide all the terms by Z. Here also plus or minus will come. So you think that what is Z? AB. So in right hand side you put AB instead of Z. So you keep the left hand side as it is. AB, what I told is that is also AB. For your convenience only, I extend one more step for better understanding. Okay, now AB get cancelled. 1 is come here. So we forget this plus or minus. So you also keep this one. Don't forget. Here what? B get cancelled. And del A by A. Here A get cancelled, and here del B by B. So here no one get cancelled. We just write del A by A and del B by B. Okay students. So now listen. This is called the absolute value of A divided by its measure value is called relative error. That is called a relative error or fractional error அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். fractional error in A, and this one is called the fractional error in B. While you writing, don't use ditto, okay? And here this product, this value is very small. ஏன்னா A வந்து பெரிய value, del A smaller value. This value is also small. So this product gives very small value. So this term is neglected. 0.000 அப்படின்னு கிடைக்கும். So அதனால இந்த term neglect பண்ணிடலாம். So finally what left? One plus or minus del A by A plus or minus del B by B. So compare both sides. Here also 1, here also 1. This place we get del Z by Z. So here del A by A plus or minus del B by B. So while multiply two quantities, the maximum fractional error is sum of fractional error of the individual quantities. That is result. See here. So maximum fractional error in the product of two quantities is equal to the sum of fractional error in the individual quantity. Okay students, this year public exam they ask in 5 mark. The multiply and division both are combined this year and asked in 5 mark question. So carefully studied. We also told you this topic is in 5 mark category. And now come to the example 1.7. They give the length and breadth of a rectangle. Length is 5.7 plus or minus 0.1 centimeter. Breadth is 3.4 plus or minus 0.2 centimeter. Calculate the area of the rectangle with the error limits. Okay students. Here I write the data. So this is L and this value is del L. This is breadth, this is the absolute error in breadth. Now we calculate the area by its absolute error. This thing should be we calculate. First we just calculate the A. A is what? Area of the rectangle, length into breadth. Just write the L value 5.7 and the breadth value 3.4. So what you got? 9.38 centimeter square. Here after decimal we have only one digit. So you just rounding off, this digit is above 5. So add 1 to the previous digit. Then rounding off gives 19.4 centimeter square. Okay. Now we calculate the fractional error. So what here told? Sum of the fractional error of the individual quantity. Here fractional error in length plus fractional error in breadth. Okay. So we need here del A. So you keep A to the right hand side by cross multiplying. So A on the side கொண்டு போயிடலாம். அடுத்து என்ன? சப்ஸ்டியூஷன் தானே. ஸோ நான் இந்த இடத்துல எழுதுகிறேன். del A முதல் என்ன எழுதணும் del L. del L என்னது 0.1. 0.1 divided by L எவ்வளவு 5.7 plus so del B எவ்வளவு del B 0.2. So B எவ்வளவு 3.4. இதை நம்ம லாக் எடுத்து சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணலாம். டைம் வீடியோஸில் இல்லாதனால உனக்கு அப்படியே சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணுங்க அப்படின்னு மெத்தடை மட்டும் சொல்கிறேன். While you arriving school, I will explain it with the logarithmic table. Or you go interested, you use your direct division. அப்போ இதை டிவைட் பண்ணும்போது 0.0588 லாஸ்ட்டாக தான் ரவுண்டிங் ஆஃப் பண்ணணும், ஆரம்பத்திலே பண்ணிடக்கூடாது. வேல்யூ கொஞ்சம் மாறிடும். எல்லாம் ப்ராடக்ட் பண்ணும்போது 1.48. இப்போ இது above 5, அப்போ ரவுண்டிங் ஆஃப் பண்ணும்போது 1.5. அப்போ உனக்கு என்ன தேவை? A plus or minus del Aவா? ஸோ எவ்வளவு 19.4. அப்போ A 19.4 plus the error is 1.5. Okay, அவ்வளோதான் centimeter square. Understand students? This is error in the product of two quantities.